Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Embed not working on Gumroad in 2026. Embed Gumroad products on your website is a great way to increase conversions, but if your Embed isn't working, it can break your entire sales flow. So let's fix this by following these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to get the correct Embed code. You're going to go to the products by signing into your Gumroad account, and then you're going to click on the products section. Here you can see all the products. Once you find the products you want, you're going to click on your products, then click on share and select Embed. Then you're going to copy the full Embed code. Do not copy the scripts code though. As you can see here, you can copy the Embed code here. The second thing is to pass it in the correct location. You can pass the Embed code inside your HTML body, not inside Visual Editor blocks that stripes scripts. And if you're using WordPress, you can use HTML block. If you're using Webflow, you can use Embed components. And if you're using Shopify, you can use custom HTML section. You can also check for the script blocking. Some websites builders block external scripts. So if it doesn't load, disable script blockers and check browser console. And look for script errors. You can also ensure the HTTPS compatibility. Your site must use HTTPS. And you can also clear the cache. If the changes don't show, clear the website's cache and clear the browser's cache and refresh hard. And that's it. Embed problems usually come from script blocking, incorrect placements, or caching issues. Follow these steps carefully, and your Gumroad products should display perfectly on your website. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.